The comet NEOWISE is bright enough to be seen by the naked eye. It is visible toward the northeast but moving quickly toward the north. At the moment it is in the northern part of the constellation Gemini. That means whatever applies to Gemini may apply to the comet also. Gemini is a twin, a sign of duality. Two celestial figures sitting opposite each other. There is an ancient book called The Prophecies of Daniel. It is a book that is not known in the Western circles. And it is not the book of the prophecies in the Bible. It's a different book. In this book of the prophecies of Daniel, it is written something about a comet. When the comet appears in the direction of the northeast. According to this book of the prophecies of Daniel, when a comet appears in the direction of the northeast, it means people will disobey the rulers. The rulers will be ignored. Mighty armies will come from the direction of the southwest toward the northeast. And there will be duality of the leadership, two rulers in one country. Like the two tails of a comet, a dusty one and a plasma one. This is a dynamic situation as the comet moves across the sky. And the comet changes direction toward the north, northwest, and west. We don't know what will happen. Mighty armies use mighty arms. And as I always say, you may regret why you didn't buy that bunker.